Yeah, it's okay. So good morning, all of you. So if it comes to here, the first use of convex mirror is we can use as a rear view mirrors in vehicles. Means in the sense of to see the back side. Understand? When we are driving to see the back side, and more area in a less mirror, less understanding, less mirror. So that we are using as what? Convex mirror, because it can give you more view in understand less size mirror, because it is a diverging mirror, so we can able to see the large field of view through the convex mirror compared to the plane mirror. And as well as we cannot use concave mirrors as a rear view mirrors in motor vehicles, because concave mirrors always will give what? Concave mirrors will give what? Inverted image. Yes or no? So it will form inverted image. So you will see, if you use suppose concave mirrors as a rear view mirrors, understand? Then you can see that all the vehicles are coming upside down. Understanding? Upside down images of all the distant objects. So that is why we cannot use concave mirror as a rear view mirror in a car or bus or truck, etc. Understand? So we will see always in this convex mirrors only we are using as a understand rear view mirrors, because we can able to see large field of view in a small mirror. Understand? Because it is always will form diminished understanding, virtual and diminished image. So that is why we are preferring always understand convex mirrors in the rear view mirrors. So that is the first use. Now coming to the second use, now you may see that if you go to any kind of shopping mall or shop or even small shop also nowadays, we have a CC camera. Is it yes or no? Normal supermarkets and all. Nowadays we have a CC camera, and in front of the owner, that cashier, they used to keep the CC cameras, and they will notice it, where it is happening, what is happening, understanding who is entering, who is leaving and all. But if you go 10 years, 15 years before, you may notice it, or else even still roadsides somewhere. Understand? A large mirrors has been placed at the roadside to give the wider field of view. Have you noticed it? They will use as a security mirrors. Understand? A big convex mirrors are used as a shop security mirrors. So that what will happen means most of the area of the shop will be visible in that mirror, so that the owner can able to see through the mirror what is happening inside his shop. He can easily identify who is coming and who is entering, who is leaving and all. So nowadays we have a CC cameras, but by installing this means if you go 10-15 years, still some shops are having, and some roads you may see that the shops will be there. So what is the use of this convex mirrors means? If you're installing this big convex mirror at a understanding some particular point in the shop owner can keep an eye on the customers to look for the thieves and the shoplifters among them. So that is the reason we can use this mirror, understand, as a shop security mirror also. You may see that roadsides a few area to see the large view of road, like a deep curves and all. They used to fix this convex mirror, because to reduce the accidents, they will use this as a security mirror there, so that we can able to see the deep curves and all. We can able to see the complete road in the mirror. So here in this picture you can see they have fixed a convex mirror, so that can able to see that wider view of a shop in the small mirror. Can able to see or not? So that he can easily locate the thing, who is entering into the shop, who is leaving into the shop, and is there anybody understanding stolen the things, or else like everything before they used to observe from this mirrors only. Nowadays we have a CC camera, but this is used in before. That is why the second use of convex mirror is we can use as a security mirror. That is what you should write it. Right. Point number 2. Continue from there. Point number 2. Continue from there. Big convex mirrors are used as big convex mirrors are used as shop security mirrors. Shop security mirrors. Understand? That is the second point. So now let us see that Now, one important question I will ask you. So, this is all about the concave and convex mirrors. What is the images formed by them? Why either it is diminished or virtual or real? That is all we have studied. Now, the thing is, from the beginning of this chapter, we have totally studied 3 mirrors. Can you able to say what is the 3 mirrors? Please, anybody? What is the 3 mirrors we have studied from the first? Anybody?
Concave mirror, convex.
Concave and convex mirror, and as well as one more mirror. What is that mirror?
Plane mirror.
Plane mirror.
Plane mirror.
Mirror.
Plane mirrors.
Plane mirror.
Yeah, plane mirrors, concave mirror, and convex mirror we have studied. Now, let us comes to here. Suppose I have given you plane mirror as well as concave mirror and convex mirror. So now, you should not touch that. You should not touch them. So how we can distinguish between a plane mirror, concave mirror, and a convex mirror without touching them? Can anybody having any idea? By looks itself, we should say. So how you can say? You should not touch them. By looks, by seeing into that mirror, you should conclude that.
Sir, in concave mirror, our image will be inverted, sir. So we can find that.
Inverted, sir.
Okay, very good, Nitya. Next, plane mirror first starts with the plane mirror. Suppose you can see, so we can distinguish them, all these mirrors, just by looking into them. That is what you have to remember. Somebody will ask you how you can classify these 3 mirrors without touching them. Means in a sense of when we look into that, understand, then you can see by bringing our face close to each mirror, then you can see turn by turn, understand, all of them will produce an image of our face, but different types it will be forming. Is it yes or no? Different types will form. Suppose if we take a plane mirror, what is the specialty of a plane mirror? Is it will form a diminished or magnified image? What is the characteristics of plane mirror?
Virtual and same size.
Same size of the object. Is it yes or no? So when we look into that plane mirror, then whenever our face looks the same like our original face, then that mirror is called as what? That mirror is called as what? A
Plane mirror.
So our face will look like our normal self. So that is only called as plane mirror. Now, if we take the concave mirror, what will happen, Ra? If we look into the concave mirror, if we keep less than the focal P and F, very closer to the mirror. If it is a concave mirror, what will happen? It will form virtual and magnified image. Is it yes or no? Nobody is answering. Virtual and magnified image it will be. Means in the sense of our face looks like a magnified image, much bigger than like a gained, you may notice it, gained molecules, very big in size it will form. Understand? So that is what, if it is forming a very big image, then we can say that it is a concave mirror. Suppose if it comes to the convex mirror, what will happen, Ra? Convex mirror, Jesse, Karthikeyan, anybody. So if we'll bring
Sir, too small, sir. Sir, too small, sir.
Yeah, so it will
Image will be too small.
highly virtual and highly diminished. Means in the sense of our face will look much smaller, so that you can easily identify. So that is what, how you can distinguish the 3 mirrors without touching them. Understanding? By keeping our face very close to it, I can easily distinguish. Understand? By forming the same size and forming the bigger size and forming the smaller size, I can go with that. Understand? So that is about the how we can distinguish 3 mirrors when they are given without touching them. Understand? So let it be that you can usually remember, because all you people know that plane mirror always will form same size of the object. Convex mirror, when you will place very close to the mirror, then it will form virtual and diminished image. Concave mirror will form always a magnified and virtual image, means bigger than the object size. That is what. Now, let us come to here. One point, all of those who joined late and first and everybody. So if it comes to here, focal length, understand? Focal length of a plane mirror, if you take, what is the focal length of plane mirror? Plane mirror, the focal length of plane mirror is infinity. Understand? So because always it will form the same size of the object. If object is 1 centimeter, then the image also will be 1 centimeter. So always it will form parallel beam of light. So they will never converge at any point. So that is why we can say plane mirror having a focal length of how much? What is the focal length of plane mirrors?
Infinity.
So
Infinity.
it is understanding 0. It is infinity. That is what you should remember. So if you remember this, then we will enter into the next concept that is only called as understanding. All of you heading numerical problems based on convex mirrors. All of you keep heading numerical problems based on numerical problems based on. Now one by one you should speak numerical problems based on convex mirrors. Convex mirrors. Now, what is the mirror formula? Here also the same mirror formula which we already discussed. Can anybody say the mirror formula?
1 by
One by U.
Convex mirror doesn't
1
matter.
by F.
So,
V
plus
formula
V
is
U.
equals to mirror formula which is equals to what? 1 by F which is equals to
1 by F equal to 1.
1 by. Is it yes or no? 1 plus 1 by U. Understanding? Now, all as well as magnification is equals to, please somebody who is making noise. So height of the image divided by height of the object, or I can write magnification M is equals to minus of V by U. Is it yes or no? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And those who don't know also note it down. From this I can write what is the image distance formula? Image distance is equals to 1 by focal length minus understanding minus 1 by object. Is it yes or no? As well as from this, what is the 1 by object distance formula? Object distance is equals to 1 by focal length minus 1 by image.
Minus 1 by V.
1 by image distance. That is. Now, those who don't know sign convention, once again, please all of you observe and note it down now. Those who know also, no problem. Convex mirror. Whenever you are seeing a word called as convex mirror in the question, convex mirror in the question, the first point our mind should say, whenever you will say convex mirror, immediately you should remember, directly I am saying, only one case we have. Wherever you will place the object, it will form what? It will form what? Virtual image.
Virtual image.
Yes or no?
Virtual image.
You should remember, whenever you are getting a convex mirror, understand, immediately you should say, F focal length is equals to positive. All of you mind you should remember. Focal length is equals to positive. Now if you take the coordinates, understand, all of you should remember, always object is placed on left side. So that object distance is what? Object distance is always
Negative.
understand. So there is no different cases in convex mirror, single case. Understand? Now, always image will form behind the mirror. This is the position of the image always. So this is always plus x coordinate and this is minus x coordinate. So there is no another case of here. Always it will form. Image is behind the mirror. So always image distance is positive. Always image distance is positive. Do you understand, all of you? Object distance is always negative. Image distance is always positive. If you take the magnification, magnification is always positive and it is always virtual image. Do you understand? Whenever you are getting virtual, then definitely magnification will become positive. I hope you are understand. So this is the sign convention.
Yes,
Sign convention of convex mirror. Always this is fixed. There is no kind of confusion. All of you should remember. And always next, magnification is always less than, understanding, 1. That is also should remember. Magnification is always less than 1. Means in the sense of always height of the image is less than height of the object. Understand, all of you? Always height of the object is bigger than the height of the image. That is what you should remember. Is there any doubt, anybody?
No,
All of you
no,
know?
sir.
Under that, we should note it down. So convex mirror, whenever you will see convex mirror in the question, our mind should say all these sign conventions. F is positive, object distance is negative, image distance is positive, magnification is positive, as well as magnification is less than 1, and it is height of the image is less than height of the object. Is there any doubt, anybody? You can ask. Do you understand, Akhil Arfan?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah, note it down, all of you. Today's class absent is Padmavarshini and Dina. Is it true? Padmavarshini and Dina only, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, Padmavarshini told me
Yes.
and in hospital. Okay, no issues. Do it fast. Any doubt you can ask me, anybody. Prasni, do you understand this sign convention? Concave mirror, you leave it. Convex mirror. Any doubt? You ask me. Prasini? No response from her. Are you clear? This is every time. Every time this is what the sign convention. Tarani Pushpa, you also remember. Now, let us start with the first question. So I'm giving first question to Varshini today. Varshini Bensi, are you ready? Varshini, are you there or are you sleeping? Right, first question. All of you. Can I repeat? An object 5 centimeter high. All of you should write. An object 5 centimeter high. An object 5 centimeter high. An object 5 centimeter high. An object 5 centimeter high is placed at a distance of. An object 5 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. Is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. From a convex mirror. From a convex mirror of radius of curvature. From a convex mirror of radius of curvature. From a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Shall we start now? Please, anybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Sir, say the last statement of the question, sir.
Last time. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Pranav, start. Varshini, you are not speaking. I want given now. So what is the mirror? First identify, read the question and you see. So what is the mirror given? What is the mirror given? Convex mirror.
Convex.
Yes,
Convex.
all of you must write. Mirror. Now, can you able to say the given data, please?
sir, height of the object is equal to 5 centimeter.
The height of the object.
Plus or minus? Plus 5
Plus 5 centimeter.
Centimeter.
All of you should remember. Okay, Varshini. So, height of the object in convex mirror is always positive. Height of the image is also always positive. These two signs also all of you add it before that paragraph. Understand? So now, let us comes to here. Height of the object is plus 5 centimeter. Next, Solunga. Next what?
Sir, in object distance is equal to
Object distance minus 10,
Minus
sir.
10 centimeter. Minus 10.
Centimeter. Next, radius of curvature R is equals to how much?
plus 30 centimeter.
So it is positive. So that F is equal to R by 2.
30 centimeter.
Plus 15 centimeter.
By 2 is equals to 15 centimeter. So this is what the focal length. F is equals to positive or negative? Positive. Is it a sir?
Positive.
Always F is equals to positive. Understand? If anybody is having any doubt at any point, you please kindly ask me and try to interact. I am saying you. Speaking skills need to improve. You are all class 10th, not lower classes. So 30 centimeter. Now we want to find what? We want to find position, nature, and size of the image. So all the things we should calculate. First we'll go for position, means image distance. Now you can see. So what is that? Mirror formula, speak.
1 by V.
1 by F is equal to
1 by S is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V.
all the headings is noted down. Mirror formula should be there. Mirror formula. Next, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. We want 1 by write the formula for 1 by V. 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by
1 by U.
Is it yes or no? Nobody should substitute. I am saying you after formula only, rearranging formula only on the substitution. Because few times you will commit the sign convention wrong. That is what I'm saying. Always rearrange the formula, then only substitution. Even though if you're expert also. Now what is the substitution? Tell me. 1 by V is equals to 1 by F. F is equals to 15 centimeter.
minus 1 by U. 1 by F minus 1 by U.
U is equals to how much?
-10.
Minus 10. Now 1 by V is equals to
Minus
15 and minus of minus how much? Minus of minus.
Plus
Okay, what's name? Minus it will become 10 divided by 10. Now, what is the LCM? 15 and 10. Already we have solved it. 15 and
30.
15 and 10.
30. 30. 30.
Very good. So 30 is the LCM. So now you can see 30 is the LCM means upside will come. But somebody's noise is coming. Please, you mute yourself. Next. So 30 is the LCM. If you take here, how much it will come? 2 and here it will come 3. Is it yes or no? Now 1 by V, which is equal to 5 by 30 and V is equals to 30 by 5. So 30 by 5
V is equal to 6 centimeters.
5 6
Centimeters.
So V is equals to plus 6 centimeter. Do you understand? V is equals to always must come what? In this case, always V must come positive. Have you got the answer? Have you got the answer or not? Yes or no? All of you. So that is what the answer. All of you should solve it. It is Pranav, is it completed? Can you able to hear me, Pranav? Hello? Can you able to hear me? Respond. Nobody is responding. Hello? Hello? Okay. So next you can calculate magnification. So magnification M is equals to minus. Can you able to hear me now? At least one. Hello? Yes? Yalini? Can you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can continue. So magnification M is equals to minus of V by U. So what will happen? Minus of V is equals to 6 divided by U is equals to minus. So minus will get cancelled. So minus M is equals to 6 by 10. So 6 by 10 means how much now? 6 by 10 means how much? All of you. 6 by 10 means how much? 0.6.
3 by 5.
Huh?
3 by 5.
0.6. Is it having any units? Magnification is any units? Magnification is having any units?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Always magnification is a unitless quantity. That is what you should remember. So magnification is understanding. Also always positive because it is always virtual image. And as we know that it is less than 1 always. M is equals to plus 0.6. All of you should solve. Till here any doubt you ask me. Anybody? Jesse?
Sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
It is completed. So now, after the height of the image, tell me how to calculate height of the image. What is the formula?
Magnification. Magnification into height
Magnification
of
into
the
height.
M into HI, sir.
Yeah.
M is equal
So
to
as we know that magnification is equals to what is the formula? Magnification M is equals to understanding.
height of the object, height of the image.
Divided by height of the object. So we want height of the image. So height of the image is equals to magnification into height of the object. So magnification is 0.6 into height of the object is how much? Height of the object is how much?
5 centimeters.
5
centimeters.
Very good. So now, I'll have to do it. 0.6 into 5 centimeters. How much it is?
3
3 centimeters.
Centimeter.
3
centimeters.
30. What is it before it is decimal? So which is equals to 3 centimeter. So this is what height of the image. So if you observe all, understand. So this is also plus 3 centimeter. Is it yes or no? Height of the image is plus 3 centimeter. So from that I can write it is less than height of the object. So what is the nature, characteristics and all?
Virtual erect and diminished.
Virtual erect.
Diminished image, and the position of the image is behind the mirror, and it is always understanding. smaller or diminished image. Already we have mentioned. That is what. And have you checked it? That image is locating always between P and F. Is it true or not? Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes,
what
sir.
we verified. Understand? Always in this case, where if you place the object at infinity, image will form at focus. Understand? Remaining all the cases, it will varies from pole and focus. Always should remember. Image must be formed always less than focus. Do you understand, Amma? Image distance should come
Yes,
less
sir.
than focus. That is what you should remember.
Sir,
What?
sir, I have a doubt.
Ask me.
Sir, for all sums, we need to find magnification also.
For every sum, whenever they are asking position, nature means you have to find magnification. Whenever you will see a word called as magnification, you must find. Or else, whenever you will come to know image distance and object distance, then you find the magnification. Do you understand, Amma? Because we can write either it is a diminished or enlarged image. How you can come to know after calculating magnification on? Is it yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
That is.
Yes, sir.
That is what? That is why magnification is always, we have to find the magnification without, understand? So without any question, we must, there is no another way. Okay? So now let us write. Next question. Make it fast, all of you. Right. Next question. An object placed at 20 centimeter. 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 Everybody must try now. There is no difficulty in this. An object placed at 20 centimeter. An object placed at 20 centimeter in front of a mirror. In front of a mirror. In front of a mirror is found to have an image 15 centimeter. Is found to have an image 15 centimeter. Image 15 centimeter. A. First case, that image is forming in front of it. In front of it. In front of it. I am not saying it is convex mirror. That is what you should remember. Mirror I am saying. So an image in front of it. It contains both the things. Next, B part. Same image is forming behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. One is in front of the mirror. Next one is behind the mirror. Do you understand it? Now, find the focal length of the mirror and the kind of mirror in each case. Understand? Find focal length and nature of mirror in each case. In each case. So let me see who will say.
Sir, can you say the question again?
Yeah, I will. Right. An object is 20 centimeter in front of a mirror. In front of a mirror. In front of a mirror. All of you should remember. In front of mirror. In front of mirror. Is found to have. Pranita, have you joined or not? Is it Pranita joined?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is what just confirmation. Is found to have an image 15 centimeter. Arya, an image 15 centimeter. This question you should answer. Everybody remaining people you have to respond. 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. Roman number A. First time the image is forming at in front of it. A in front of it. B behind the mirror. B behind the mirror. B behind the mirror. Find the focal length, nature of mirror in each case. They are asking. So who will say? First case. So let us discuss the first case. In front of it. In front of it.
Sir, concave mirror.
Yeah.
Concave.
Concave.
In front of.
Is always what? They are saying that in front of it. You take it, observe all of you carefully. So mind you should calculate that.
Minus, sir. Minus.
What is the object distance always? What is the object distance always? Object distance is always constant. How much it is?
Minus
Minus 20
minus 20.
Is it yes or no?
minus 20
Now,
centimeter.
Case 1, image is also forming somewhere here, minus x coordinate only. So definitely that
Minus
must be
15.
minus.
Minus
Minus
15 centimeter. Minus 15
That's
centimeter.
no. If it is forming in this coordinate, it is a real image or virtual image? It will be real image. You
Real.
understanding that?
Real image.
Yes, that is why
Real
it
image.
must be minus. Next, we will take to this side. Next case, image is forming behind the mirror. So that in this case 2, B is equals to positive. Is it yes or no?
Plus 15. Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? All of you. What you should
Yes,
remember.
sir.
Now, let us go with the first case. We should find always focal length and the nature of the mirror also. So now, let us come to the first case. In front of it, Prahasini, if you have doubt, you ask me. Anybody, if you have doubt, you please ask me. If you are silent, I cannot come to know. That is what. So let us come to the first case. A. What is the object distance? Please tell me. Given object distance. Object distance U is equals to minus 20 centimeter.
Minus 20 centimeter.
In front of it means image distance is how much? Minus 15 centimeter. Is it yes or no?
Minus 15 centimeter.
Focal length we should find. The F is equals to how much we have to find. What is the formula? Mirror formula. Mirror formula. Solve it.
Is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U.
Yeah, 1 by F is 1 by V plus 1 by U. All of you substitute it. No need to wait for me. You continue yours. Anusri, so many Dilipan, Anusri, Akhil Arfan, so many not all responding. You have to respond. Next, 1 by F is equals to 1 by V. V equals how much? Minus 15. And minus U is equals to minus 20. What is the LCM for 15 and 20? Minus 1 by 15 and minus
60.
plus.
60.
So 60 is the LCM. Is it yes or no? 60 means how much it will come here?
Minus 4.
4 plus 3. So 1 by F is equals to minus 4 plus 3 how much? Minus 1 divided by 60. So as you know that F is equals to minus 60 centimeter. Observe very carefully all of you. All of you should verify. Huh?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Sir, object is minus 20 centimeter, but how, sir, focal length is 60 centimeter? That means image will be virtual only, sir.
Image will be virtual. Just you calculate here. Is it F is equals to 20, 60 or not? Is it coming correct or not? You verify.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, that 1 by minus 15 plus, sir, plus.
This is plus only. Minus of minus plus only correct. Minus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 correct.
No, sir, 1 by V plus 1 by
Sir,
U,
no,
sir.
sir. Plus, sir.
Sir, both are minus only, sir.
Yes, sir. Minus, sir.
Very
Sir,
good.
both are minus.
Yes. I understood.
Minus 4, minus 3, sir.
Very nice. So,
Minus 4, minus 3, minus 7 by 60, sir.
so which is equals to minus 7 by 60. Is it yes or
7
no?
by 60.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Sir.
F is equals to minus 60 divided by 7. So F is equals to all of you calculate and tell me how much it is.
Minus 8.57.
Minus 8.57 centimeter. Now is it satisfying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Usni?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, very good. So that is what I said. Now F is equals to must come less than this. Is it yes or no? Object distance.